George Noble, politician. George Walter Harry Noble, 3 February 1891 – 9 July 1949, was an Australian plumber, gasfitter, politician and member of the New South Wales Legislative Assembly for one term from 1947 to 1949. He was a member of the Labour Party. Early life. Noble was born in Darlington, New South Wales, and educated to elementary level. He was an early and notable player of rugby league after the sport was established in Sydney in 1908. Noble was apprenticed as a plumber and gas fitter with the New South Wales Government Railways and employed as a gas fitter from 1913 till he was dismissed during the Australian General Strike of 1917. He was subsequently re-employed with decreased seniority. Noble was elected as an alderman of Alexandria Municipal Council between 1928 and 1932. A member of the Australian Labour Party from the age of 17, he was a member of William McKell's campaign committee for 21 years. State Parliament. In February 1947, the Premier and member for Redfern, William McKell, resigned to take the position of Governor-General. Due to the proximity of the dissolution of the 35th Parliament, a by-election was not held. Noble successfully contested Labour pre-selection for Redfern and was elected to Parliament at the May 1947 election. However, he died suddenly 26 months after his election. He did not hold party, parliamentary, or ministerial office. References